Hi, my name's John and I'm a chef. Not surprisingly enough, I spend a lot of time in kitchens. So welcome to my kitchen. It's perfect. But, hey guys, if it's too smoky, too noisy to hear your friends and family, and you still have those lingering odors 3 hours after cooking, it's time to know Fotile. My wife introduced me to Fotile. It's the #1 brand in China, made in her hometown. In Australia, where I'm from, and America, we're experiencing the same problems. So let's see why the ventilation of your range hood is not so efficient. A typical range is 25 inches deep and the hood is only 20 inches deep. And the height is around 27 inches. Of course, the typical range hood is not efficient and releases odors and steam into the kitchen environment. How did Fotile solve this problem? They found the golden ventilation zone. Fotile Lab has discovered that the optimum ventilation distance from range to the vacuum area is 23 inches, and therefore Fotile range hoods more efficiently prevent dispersion of greasy odors. Fotile has initiated a revolutionary side draft system. This system efficiently draws smoke, steam and odors from the cooking zone. Our engineers at Fotile have accurately calculated the most efficient extraction area to provide a uniform vacuum. So, no matter which cooking area you use on your range, you will not be bothered by grease and odors. If you prefer a wall-mounted range hood, there is always an option from the Fotile technology. You might think that this plate is going to block the smoke and steam from entering the range hood, but experiments showed the opposite results. The plate actually increased the contact area by 20%. Based on the colander effect and the canyon effect, when the cooking smoke begins to spread, the plate will actually catch and guide it into the range hood with accelerated speed. You know, it's not magic. Even better, this plate is self-adjusting. It's equipped with an infrared sensor known as the Super Eye technology, exclusive to Fotile. According to the smoke concentration, the plate will shorten the distance between the range hood and the cooking area, therefore increasing the ventilation efficiency. So the second problem is, at high speed, a normal range hood is really noisy. I'd prefer to use a lower speed so I can communicate with my friends and family. However, this is at the expense of effective ventilation. Normally, more power means more noise, but in the case of Fotile, higher power means less noise. The heart of a range hood is the motor, and Fotile uses a unique DC motor. A DC motor spins almost twice as fast as an AC motor does. That means it has more power to extract cooking smoke and odors. The motor will automatically adjust the speed according to the ventilation situation. Combined with a DC motor, Fotile has designed a centrifugal impeller which moves more smoothly and emits less noise. The new generation of Fotile V side draft range hood uses dual DC motors with dual centrifugal impellers. The minimum noise level of Fotile range hoods is less than 40 decibels. It's so quiet. Extraction is important too. One of the results of the Fotile efficient extraction system is an increase of more than 30% cooking smoke. At the same time, oil separation is 95% and odor reduction is 98%. Besides powerful and quiet ventilation, Fotile range hoods provide so much more. For example, so easy to clean. Use a piece of Clorox and a paper towel to wipe. All the filters and oil containers are detachable. And if needed, just put them into your dishwasher. That's it. Also, Fotile range hoods have their own air management system, which provides your kitchen with a clean, healthy and odour-free environment. The range hood will automatically start when harmful gases and odours are detected, extracting them from the kitchen environment. Fotile has served the American market for 9 years with high-quality products and service. There are 2 main series. Different sizes, colours and functions are available. Fotile range hoods are easy to install. They have a 5-year warranty for spare parts, 2 years for labour. The motor has a lifetime warranty.
Is food ready?
It's coming! Want a range hood? Choose Fotile. The wife is always right. Remember, happy wife, happy life.